Hello and welcome to day 10 of the survival month series of Day in the Life of a Window Cleaner. Today we're in the next village down from where I live, so we're in Murrow. We've had 4 skips unfortunately, so it's left us with 16 cleans. The 16 cleans we've got though still take us over me target amount of money that I'm after just to break even for everything. So that's good despite the fact we've got 4 skips. These skips are terrible really sometimes. I know some of them can't be helped and you don't know what's going on in someone's life neither. But I think this sort of time of year and the build up towards Christmas, they're sort of like more common than any other time of the year as well. And I think the weather doesn't help sometimes. But it is what it is. And thank you for your comments that you've been leaving. I will take them all on board. There's some good ideas there. I definitely think I've got to start explaining in a nice way to customers about the fact that you've allocated a slot and time for them, and then when people skip, it happens, it's fine, but when they keep asking to reschedule for another day or next week, it's really hard to fit in when you've got a day that's packed out of work, and it's not always that easy. I think some people though, to be fair, probably trying to say can you do me next week because they don't want to feel like they've done you a bad turn by skipping, so kind of trying to make it back that way. I don't know. But I suppose it just goes to show having a conversation with your customer is a two-way street, isn't it, really? So yeah, I'll take those things on board. Anyway, what we're going to do, I'm pretty sure we get these 16 cleans done in good time. Be nice to finish a bit early to get on with some admin. And fingers crossed the weather's all right. It's just a little bit overcast, it's dry. So see what happens. Hello everyone, just an update. It's we popped home for lunch. I've had a few talkers this morning, so it's been a slow morning, but I don't mind. It's given me a rest. We've gone home, had something to eat, and luckily for me, one of my parcels arrived from Vistaprint because I need it. So I'm now going to put this through the letterbox of a customer. Basically, it's got obviously all my logo and all that kind of stuff on saying we visited. It's advertising basically the services I provide. I had an orange space here where I'd write down the price, and then we used to write the date next to it, but to give myself more room, I've just changed it so I can put the date in there, and changed a couple of little things on here. And on the back is all the different payment methods, and I've updated on there the information to do a bank transfer because I've changed banks. I'm now with Starling. So that's why I wanted to get them done, and I've got a customer we've got to pop back to because we cleaned them. There is no phone number, so it's just something I leave through the letterbox and then they pay. So anyway, back out there, weather's good, so I'm sure today we'll get it all done. Just gone 3:30 in the afternoon, that's us done. All 16 cleans done for the day. Would have been more because we had them 4 skips. but I've still got over the money I need to break even, so at least that's one good thing. A little bit more profit. And some of these will be rescheduled, but that's the pain, is how do you reschedule customers that suits them onto a day that's going to be busy, plus that round is in a completely different area as well. Sometimes you get lucky because you might get a couple of skips that day, then they slot in and it goes in, but it does make things hard. So I'm going to take on board your comments below and see if there's anything I can streamline it. As long as I get enough money at the end of the month, life's life, and you get the odd few skips here and there, I'll just take it on the chin and have an easier day. That's no problem. But when they sort of reschedule, that's another different kettle of fish, really, isn't it? It's a bit hard, but we have had some quotes come through. I've got 2 quotes accepted for gutter clears. One of them's with fascia sops and gutters as well. They're not massive jobs though, but if we make that a job one day next week, we can backfill the rest of the day that we got free there with these rescheduled cleans, is what we're looking at the possibility of doing. As long as the tally totals are decent enough, it's worth doing. I haven't had any more gutter clears come in to make a gutter clear day, so that's one option. Anyway, we'll let you know how you get on. Thanks for joining us. Like and subscribe if you haven't. There'll be another video up here somewhere for you to watch, and hope you're enjoying this survival month series. So far it's looking good. Catch you later.